Hey there everybody, welcome back to the Beaded Jewel. I'm Rochelle and here's another video. I just received my other anniversary bundle from Beadbox Bargains, and this one is the Cat's Meow bundle. So I love me some kitty cats. I love dogs too, but cats are just easier to take care of, at least I think. And I have one left. They all, got old and passed away. So I have one left who is 84 years old. He's a little tuxedo tabby. If I can find a picture, I'll insert it here. He wasn't the cutest cat, but at the time when he was only 12 weeks old, he needed he had a bad heart. I think all cats have heart issues that heart murmur. And then he had to have a hernia removal when he was just a kitten. So we did that, and he's been living great ever since. He actually turned 17 this past June 23rd, so I think that makes him 84 years old in human years, But anyway, so that's why I got the Cat's Meow bundle. This is just relevant to me. So let's go ahead and open it. If you didn't see my last video on the Sand and Surf bundle, check that one out. It's gorgeous. And this one's a lot heavier. There's a lot more in here because I ordered some extra stuff. So let's go and let's see what's in here. I'm gonna check out my free gift because they always give me such a cute free gift. So let's see what's in here. Ooh, this looks pretty. I played with my lighting with my camera up here right before I did this, so it looks good to me, so I hope it's good, because I really don't know anything about cameras. So these are cute. I don't know what they are, but let's see. They're pretty. It's like a deep blue, deep blue, little towel beads, really pretty. I'm gonna put one back in here just to save my sanity. Okay, and then so this is the Cat's Meow bundle. Of course I'm gonna go over what I ordered first. So you're gonna have to hang around for that. And this is all the stuff, extra stuff I got. So let's see. Bear with me. Oh, this was cute. This is, oh, what happened? There we go. It's out of frame. I'm not really into octopuses, but these were really cute. Pendant 3230 here. Just really nice looking, don't you think? Really rich looking. I have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but I really like it. Love that. So I'm going to put that there. And then they sent one, I think, was it last month's box or something? That's a lampwork glass octopus. This one's cute too. We got this in a bargain bee box. I don't remember which one, but this one's cute too. Isn't that cute? Just cute. So I'm gonna put this back away because I didn't get it in this order. Okay, so I got two of the octopus because it was really cheap. Oh, and I needed more of these for something I was working on. So I'm not a frame again. Oh, my light's blinking. Of course it's gonna blink. Trying to do a video. Oh, like really? I'm gonna move that back a little. It's going down to the yellow setting. I want it on the blue setting or whatever it is. Oh my gosh, can you believe this? Like seriously? It's either that or it's some spirit ghost trying to tell me something. Anyway, I guess, oh, come on. I'm gonna, these are really pretty. 20 pieces crystal faceted round beads, Magma AB. I needed this color, especially for fall, Halloween coming up. Perfect color. Getting ready to start on all my fall stuff. Maybe it's Christmas. This light, I wish it would go back up to where it's supposed to be. Oh. Okay, so this is all the stuff that I ordered. It's not the bundle yet. Gem 6887. What are you? I forgot. Let me see if I can look it up really quick. These are cute. Looks like a 4 mil. 6887. Here it is. Chrysocolla, however you want to pronounce it. I call it Chrysocolla. So these are really pretty. Look at the variety of colors in here. You got some green, you got some blue, you got some like almost black. All different colors in there. I wonder if I can turn this light off. I don't know. I can only tell if I show something of mine that I made, if I got correct lighting. Hold on. Because I really don't feel like editing. Okay, this is good. This is true color here, so I'm going to leave this lighting. I could take this light and just throw it out the window. Okay. So I guess that's good. Still looks like the right color. Ugh. Always something when I'm trying to do a video. 7236, these little shells, which are really pretty. I'm just going to take it. Now, this is still my order. Has a sparkly gold finish on there. I hope you can see that. And kind of a pinky peach tone. Got that. I got these little flower beads. 7264. I won't take them all out. So I figured it's pretty fall colors there. So I got some of those. I'll try to turn this light back on. Oh, the heck with it. Okay, moving on. Oh, these are pretty. 0565, these little disc spacer beads. They're like blue, greenish. I like these. I'm not going to take it out, but these are really pretty. You can tell in that light there. I got 2 of those. And then let's see what this is. More seashells. 5322. These are pretty. These are so pretty. Has just a gorgeous finish on there. It looks like an AB finish. So pretty. They're very like rich looking in person. And I got some more of these. These are pretty. So figure for fall spacer beads, you know. Space 1689. Pretty. Try this. other light. I have one more light. I'm just so curious. Okay, I'm gonna leave that on. That's one of those big professional lights that they use in photo shoots. Okay, I think that looks good. Let me check my other thing. Okay, I like it. I guess it's okay. I have to get a new overhang light. I got these. Space 1870. These are really nice. Kind of like a heavy duty spacer bead, or however you want to use it. And gosh, come on. Gems 5963. What are you? Let me look it up. Okay. Prehnite? Is it Prehnite? Or whatever it is. It's like a green. These are really pretty. They're faceted. Different shades of green in there. And some specks. And I thought I'd get me some of these. Oh, I got all kind of bales. Find 4729. Some silver bales here. So I got that. I'll leave it in there. Just got them all in different colors. Cause I figure I really don't have these, I don't think. Nice bright shiny gold tone. Rose gold. I like a smoke metal color. And what else? And this is still the stuff that I ordered. I think I have one more thing. More of these flowers here. 72.65. Are these check pressed flowers? I'm not sure. Yeah, they all are. Okay. So like Hawaiian flower beads. Another great color for fall coming up. That's why I got those. Okay. And what's in here? Oh, more seashells. Let's see what these look like. Oh, these are nice. 72.35. I'm gonna leave one in here. These look very like rustic. It's not nice. I just love these. Okay, so we're done with what I got. And now I don't have time to clear this off and magically make it reappear like Lauren does. So look at this pretty organza bag. Isn't that pretty? It's pretty. And it starts. Now I think these are, thank goodness. I'll tell you what it is on the bag. Okay. So this is the kitty bundle. The Cat's Meow bundle. Kitty Meow bundle. 8 mil black agate round beads. Look at that. Pretty. I'll put that there. And the carved cat bead. Let's see what this is. Oh, there it is. So it has a drilled hole in there. It's a little kitty. Oh, this would be great for Halloween. This pendant, it's an enameled cat cameo pendant in silver antique. Look at that. Oh, these are gorgeous. I'll leave some in there. Look at that. Glass cat beads in Magma AB. 10 piece, 8 by 10. So I think it's a little cat head. Shaped like a little cat head there. These are gorgeous. So perfect for fall colors, huh? What are you? Oh. And it's a little pendant, stainless steel cat pendant, a little cat and a little kitten, it's supposed to be, I think. Boy, I really need to get busy making everything. Oh, pressure. Okay, these are cool. More of these little cut glass crystal, more cat heads here in smoked topaz, and these are gorgeous. These are prettier in person. They're faceted. It looks like they're faceted. Okay. You get a lot in this bundle. Excuse me. I don't remember how many pieces it was, but let's see. Just gonna take one of these out. It's another little kitty. It's a Bodhi wrote carved cat beads. And here's some more stainless steel climbing cat charms. I'll just get one out. It's cute. Look at that. A little cat dangle. Alright, let's see what this is. This is another stainless steel kitty cat. Walking. Got that. And got some beautiful 3x5 mil tiger eye faceted round beads in a 15-inch strand. And we got some more. Trying to open this up really quick. Come on. Wow. Okay. Another carved kitty here. Oh, paw. Oh, it's a little carved paw. Look how cute that is. It's a carnelian. These are pretty. 4 mil cat's eye glass faceted around beads and light coral. It's pretty. That's some more stainless steel. Get 2 of these. Gonna leave one in here. These are really nice. And a little on the thicker side, which I like. So it's 2-piece 18 by 10 mil stainless steel Happy Cat charms. cute. You can see a little bit of the thickness there. It's cute. It looks like the cat's laughing there. And here we got some bigger beads. 8mm picture jasper beads. There you go. Great for fall. I just can't wait for, I love fall, can't wait for fall. I'm so anxious to decorate for fall. I don't do a lot anymore, but I do have a 3-season deck that I really like to decorate. These beautiful spacer beads, look at these, 30 piece. Textured rondelle spacer beads. And here's some more bead caps. Need some bead caps. These are the larger ones. It's textured again. Swirl with a swirled bead cap, 20 piece, 8mm. It's pretty. And we have about 4 or 5 more bags to go through. Here we go. We got some faceted beads here. Red agate, 6mm. Gorgeous. This is perfect Halloween colors right here. Oh, it's a clasp, magnetic clasp. 5mm platinum plated brass magnetic paw print clasp. Okay, oops. Take one out. Slippery. Hope you can see that. That's really cute. If I can get that apart. Super cute. A little cat pendant. And it's picture jasper. A few more items here. Porcelain calico cat beads. Just get 2. I'm just going to take 1 out. It's cute. This is a 6mm tiger eye faceted. Gorgeous. Oops. There we go. Let's see what this one is. Oh, little fishtails. So these are spacer beads, and they are little fishtails. Hope you can see that. Super cute, because kitty cats love fish, especially if they can catch them. Put you right there. Okay. And this one is, take a couple of these out. 8x10 porcelain cat beads, 4 pieces. So cute. And the last one. Wow. Let's take one out. This is the 2-piece glass paw print in white and pink. It's a little bead there. It's pretty. And finally, woof, done. My word. So that's it. I might open these up after all. Hope you enjoyed the video. Oh, it's like a rush to get it done before the camera turns off. But don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And let me know if you got any of these anniversary bundles, because they are a lot of fun. And here we are. Spacer disc here. It's a matte finish. They're all different colors. It did not come in the bundle. I ordered it separately because it just looks so pretty. Put that over there. And so I'm going to use a lot of these to make some bracelets like this. This way I can make, you know, have the little charms or the little seashells here for attach little charms here onto the bracelet. And that's what I'm going to do. So these are fun. And what else? So I've been making a lot of the bracelets. People seem to like them a lot. And don't forget to check my other videos, the Sand and Surf bundle. I'll post a link and everything. And that's it, folks. Can't think of anything else. So thanks for taking the time for watching. I got a piece of plastic stuck to my hand. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and give it a thumbs up. And it would help me out a great deal. And happy beading. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.